Hello everyone. My name is Franklyne Abung'ana. Welcome to my online tutorials, where I give you the insight on emerging technological issues affecting matters in education. Subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on my upcoming tutorials. Subscription is free. You won't be charged anything. Instead, you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Welcome, and keep on learning.
Go to your favorite browser. It can be Chrome, Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Now once you open your browser, I believe you know how to log into the KNEC portal. You need the username and the password. To do so, just search KNEC portal. The following page will be displayed. On the primary section, move down on the list and select the competency-based assessment portal, that is the CBA portal. Key in the username and the password. These are school credentials that you are going to use to log in. Once done, hit the login button. We have the age-based, pathway and stage-based. We shall select for grade 3 under the age-based pathway. At the top right corner, select the hamburger menu. A list of side menus or tabs is displayed. Move down to the list until you see download assessment materials. Select. Once selected, you'll be taken to this page with various learning areas that have the assessment tools: English, mathematics, and integrated learning areas. We shall select integrated learning area. We have option for regular learners and the SNE learners, physically, hearing, and visually impaired. Select the red buttons to download. You can rename or download directly into your phone or computer. You can still go back and download, maybe for another level. Let's check if the English assessment tools have been uploaded. Now you get that notification to show that the tools have not been downloaded. Assessments are not available for this learning area. That means they have not been uploaded yet. We try another grade. Select the grade tab for another grade. This time round, we proceed to grade 4. We shall repeat the same steps. We go to the top right corner, the hamburger menu. Select to display the side menus or tabs. Move down the list until you get to the download assessment materials. For grade 3 or upper primary, we have several learning areas to download from, as long as material have been uploaded, or assessment tools. This time round, we move down and download assessment tools for agriculture, grade 4. Tab to download. So we have those options to download from: regular and the visually impaired. Select to download. You can download the marking scheme or rubrics. Hit the download button, and that's how the process is done. You can repeat the same steps.
I hope you have learned something from this tutorial. If so, give this video a big thumbs up. comment, and share. Above all, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell on so that you don't miss out on my upcoming uploads. Thank you for watching. See you then.